Okay, so we're going to do most of our work in this top view. Okay, so let's go to the stock. We'll go up here and do a cylindrical stock. And we have our stock dimensions set to 2.22 for the radius, and we got 4.89 for the length. So it's a fairly good sized part. And the reason the part is this big, because you need, if you're going to do any ID turning, you need to have enough room in there to get your insert and your tool holder in there. If you cannot get it in there, you're going to have to do all of your ID cutting with drills. And you can do that too. I mean, you can get a drill in practically any size, just calculate the sizes you need, and you can drill this out just as well as finishing it. So we got our stock set.